Hi everybody, and super nice that you're watching another video. This video will be the second video of today and it is about maths. So, are you ready to do some math exercises? Good. So the past weeks we have been talking about addition and subtraction. And we did that on a number line, we did that by grouping, we had many examples, but now it is time for something else. So today we are going to review the two-dimensional shapes, and probably you've done this before, but yeah, I just want to fresh up your memory a bit. So, what are two-dimensional shapes? What is the meaning of that? I know that Naisa last week drew a three-dimensional shape or a figure or something. Yeah, remember? Today we're going to talk about two-dimensional shapes. So what is the difference? Can you check in your room, just look around, and can you see some objects who are two-dimensional shapes? Can you find something? I'm going to do the same, okay? Let's see, I'm just looking around. Can I find some two-dimensional shapes? Well, in fact, everywhere I look, I see shapes. I can see circles, I can see squares, I can see triangles, and much more, because literally almost everything here is a shape. Isn't that funny? Look what I found. This here. You know the name of this shape, yeah? It's a circle. Very good. A circle, like a round. So let's see if there is something else. So there are lots of shapes all around me, but I've picked this one. It's a pillow. And it has the form of a square. This is a square. I'm going to draw it here. Okay, a square. And also, if you look at my pillow, you can see other shapes inside of this one, right? Because the size of the pillow is a square, or the size, like the form, is a square. But inside you can see different shapes. What do you see? A triangle. Very good. I'm going to draw the triangle here on this one. Okay, so we're going to use these ones for today. These are the examples, yeah? What is a circle? Why or how do we recognize a circle? Because it is round. For example, is this a circle? Is that a circle? No, it's a not example, because isn't this a circle? Why this isn't a circle? Because it isn't closed, right? Okay, I'm going to do the same with the square. Is that a square? Is that how you should draw a square? No. And why not? Because it isn't closed. Very good. So the last one is the triangle. So, like that. Is that a triangle? Is that correct? No, because it isn't closed. So these are the examples and these are the not examples. Those are no shapes. Just invented something, but it is not a shape, yeah? Okay, so I want to know, can you tell me about the circle? How can we identify the circle? Does a circle, how many sides does a circle have? Side. How many sides does the circle has? Does the circle have cycles? Does the circle have sides? No. A circle doesn't have any sides, so zero sides. Whoa, difficult to talk about that. Okay, the circle doesn't have sides. Okay, we know that. Does the circle has corners? Can you see any corner here? No. Does any one of you remember the other word for corner? Like this, for example. Vertices. That is the word for vertices. How many does it has? 0. So that's how we identify the circle. It doesn't have sides and it doesn't have vertices. Okay, what about the square? How many sides does the square has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I write down sides. How many did we count? 4. Very good. And how many corners or how many vertices can we count here? How many corners does the square have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how we identify the square. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay. What about the triangle? How many sides do you think the triangle has? How many sides do you think? Let's count, yeah? Oh, it's a bit small. I will put the camera a bit closer in a bit. So how many sides the triangle has? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And how many corners? How many vertices? We can count them as well, yeah? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 sides and 3 vertices. Very good. Okay, so now I want you to look around again. In your room or in your house, just walk around. Just take some time to observe the objects. Can you find some other shapes? Can you find some more two-dimensional shapes? Do you know any more? Because there are more. So, just go and walk around in your house and try to find more two-dimensional shapes. Good luck with that, and just take a picture of it and maybe you can send it to me so that I can see that you found the different shapes. Okay, good. So good luck with that, and I'll be back with you in a bit. Okay.